Do you want to save 5+ hours every month updating reports and presentations? Then this video is right for you. Today I'm going to show you how to automate your Google Slides with real-time data using ChatGPT. Let's jump right in. Open up ChatGPT and prompt it to generate a Google Apps script code for your project. The key here is to ask to link Google Slides with a Google Sheets data source. Make sure to specify the exact data you want to pull. For example, if you're looking to update revenue numbers, mention that in the prompt. This will give you a basic template code to start with. Let's copy the code and go to the next step. Go to your Google Slides, click on Extensions and select Apps Script. This will open a new window where you can paste the code ChatGPT created for you. Now here's the important part. You will need to connect it to your Google Sheets data source. Open your Google Sheets and in the URL, look for the document ID. It's the long string between D and edit. Copy that ID and go back to your App Script editor. Now you can replace the placeholder in the script with your document ID. Now that we have our data source linked, it's time to set up the script to automatically update every single time you open your Google Slides. Go to the App Script editor and click on the Triggers button. You can set a new trigger for the function. Save the script and go back to your Google Slides. Open the presentation and voila! Your data should be automatically updated in real time. If it's not working right away, double check your document ID and ensure that the correct data range is being referenced in the script. Now, every time you open the presentation, it will pull the most recent numbers, making sure your content is always accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment down below. If you like this video, you might also like the video I made around top 5 tips for presentations with ChatGPT. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time.